Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. How we doing on this fine? What we got? Wednesday morning, middle of the week, hump day. That's what it is. Welcome to the Zen Zone. Pause the noise. I'm your host, the Zen Trader. Here we on this channel, we'll look for stock and try to capitalize on them. So if you hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, let us know. It lets you know when we go live. And if you have a stock you want us to look at, go ahead, put it in the chat. Come on now, let's get to it. Everybody, hope this month been a good month to you so far. We're early in August. 4 months to go before the year end. Wow, we're moving pretty fast now, right? Welcome to the zone, the Zen Zone. Stock pick of the day today is Lilly, Scandis, APP, and Disney. Those are the stock pick of the day. So if you're ever in the Discord at the Zen Zone, come on in. You'll get the stock pick of the day, and that's how we start the day off. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Look at Scandis coming back up. So I'm gonna have to get out the rest of this Scandis here. That was good to the short side. Just don't want to break down onto that 1372 there. Get to 1764.03. We need it lower than that. We definitely need it lower than that. Lily is good working it. Lily is working it right now. Mr. 8118793 on Lily. Watch scan this at VWAP. There's some resistance there at VWAP. Market fill the gap. ZYBT. Look at to the VWAP on Scandis. A bunch of things going on here now. Vaulted up on this one here. What's going on my mama? This ZYBT, man. I didn't catch it early, but you know how it is. We're doing great, man. Happy hump day, everybody. You know how we're doing the zones. Welcome, welcome. Like I said many times before, if you like to see a bigger screen, jump on that YouTube at the Zen Zone 01. That's the one with that green Z, man. You know it. You'll see it. You'll recognize it. YXT. My mama, what's going on, buddy? Watch scan disk at 11:13 scan disk. This one halted up. Let me turn on this other machine here. Mm, halted up. WHR. You said it was X. Let me see what that look like. YXT, YXT. Yeah, halted up too with a gap up on this one. There's a lot to choose from in the market right now. Were you on the right side of the market? Market is pressing down, guys. SPY is pressing down. APP is pressing down. We need Disney to break 100. We need Disney to break 100. What's going on, coach? Snow is too choppy right now, man. Pre-market level here, you could watch it at 321 if we make a break to the upside on snow. What's up, Billy? Long time no see, my friend. So that's snow right now. The SPY is the way to go, right? The SPY, if you're not already in the SPY already. We got it at the top. All-time high. We melting right now on the SPY. Look at that. Oh, Lord. Oh, Lord. Let's go. APP, watch Disney at 100. Yeah, I saw that one too. INLF. Uh, I came out of that this morning. That was good. Yeah, it's up now. Yeah, that was the break right there. 820, we took it here and then got out at 820. Anything over 820, man. I definitely like that play if you're gonna get into it again. There's a good chance you fall into this trap. It all comes down to lagging indicators. Now, most traders use them, and it's destroying their results. Why? They're only looking at past data and trying to guess, literally guess, where the price is going to go. There it is right there. Got some momentum in it. I'll scalp it through here. I'll scalp it through here. Come on. You missed it, but see if we could get a little bit out of it. Way too late. See if they enter trades too late. I mean, the timing is just off. They don't even know what they should be trading. So what scan this? 1415 on scan this up there. Suspended to the upside. This suspended to the upside. SPY spiked down to 77115. Watch Disney. Disney at 100. What's going on, coach? What's the deal? Long time no see. I know you're a busy man, man. Hammer, what's good? Watch Disney at 100. 100.30. That one is halted up. Lily is doing good right now. Lily is doing good. I need some more downside on Lily. Keep coming. Lily still up 26 points on Lily. Hit that like button for me, guys. If you want to see a bigger chart, jump on YouTube at the Zen Zone 01. Scan this. Scan this. Get some pre-market level here. You got one right here, one here, and then you got this one up there. Let's try to get this one first. Could break through here. Then you got target up here. That's how I would play this on the way up on scan this. And we need oh my gosh, somebody get me ZYBT. ZYBT. ZYBT is on the way up. Those other one, ZYBT. ZYBT is 422, almost 423 percent to borrow from that to the short side. Just keep that in mind on this ZYBT. Let me take about 30 out of this one here. SPY keep dropping though. SBY. Come on, SPY, let's go. Take us back down to 600. Let's go back down to 600. IWM. Let's look at that. Oh yeah, it should be treating it like the SPY too, right? We got that accumulation and then drop down. The trend is down on this one right now. What you trying to, you already in this one, 1047, you already in that WIM? I mean, it all depends on what you want to do, really, right? You're looking to get in it right now. I would look at it right here. Um, I mean, I'll look at it right here, 300 underneath the low, right? To go short. And if I want to scalp it, I could, we already missed yesterday where it breaks out. I mean, it's right at support here, right? I would wait to see if it comes above the 200 EMA, 200 EMA and take it long, trying to get a scalp towards 301.65, or just wait, see what the direction change and see if we could get it to 301.65 with a different direction. Wait till it breaks down. You know, you just have choices on that. Break down, let it sit in here and accumulate and see if it give us a long. Let the VWAP come in support here. And you could knock out the VWAP if the direction changed to the upside. VWAP and 301.65 to go higher. But right now the market is pushing down, so it will work with the market to the downside. 375 to 301.40, that's like 30 cents here to the downside. If you're trying to catch it here and make this your stop loss. That's if you're into scalping. Hey George, what's good, my brother? But I would look, if the market continued down, I would look for it to break underneath the low here. Or build a position and then have your stop loss. There we go. We're looking good on this guy here. INLF. Let's get some out of that. That was a beautiful trade on that. Even though we were late, we still got it, the breakout through here. We still got that breakout and get to capitalize on it. So from here, it comes back to entry. We could also just get out. It don't matter. We capitalize off that. So it comes back. We out. Right? Boom. Done. And if it bounce off here, you can again, boom, right up. So now that would be the next level I would look if it's gonna break this top here, right? Scalp it towards 1050, right? 950, 1050, that's a dollar. You could get 50 cents out of that. Risk 50 cents to get 50 cents, or risk a dollar to get a dollar. That'd be cool. Scan this is moving now. Scan this is expensive, as well as Lily. We'll scan this. Get that through here. Target is here. Scan this. Watch this spy there. Let's get some out of Lily here. Lily was a great trade to the downside. DBGI. DBGI. Let's look at DBGI. It's low right now. It was a nice short this morning on that. This is struggling up at the top. Disney is struggling to break down underneath 100. So far, so far it's choppy. This is struggling to get over the top there. Which one got earnings today? On my mama. Lily got earnings. Scandis got earnings. APP got earnings, and Disney got earnings today. Oh yeah, for sure. That's why I went on all four of them today. If you know, every day I come in, I try to go off the earnings stock. If none there that I like, I go back to the Tesla, the Nvidia, the AMD, the Amazon, you know, the Microsoft, because those are always guaranteed, man. You could trade those. But I like to take advantage of stocks that are earnings, that have earnings. ZYBT. ZYBT on the run. Watch. I mean, you could scalp here too, man. Make this your stop loss. We just need volume to come through that. We get a little turn on Lily at the bottom there. I mean, we could finish with Lily. That was a good trade. We could finish with that. We're done with that. The one you got to look at now is Disney. Disney took a long time to break through this level here. Watch that level to the downside here. Disney. Happy Wednesday, everybody. If you're not yet subscribed, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, let you know when we go live here. Ooh! Uh, Matter of fact, this was my stock pick this morning. I don't know if you could see it, but those were my stock pick this morning. And that white piece of paper here. I'll write them down. Okay. Lily, Disney, Scandis, and APP. I know I trade APP. I could always profit off APP. Watch this Disney to the downside here. See if we could get Disney is looking for support here at the low. Scan this is having trouble up top here. So you gotta watch out for that one. Wow. Oh, are you serious? STAK? Let's go. Oh, we need some volume on that baby right there for sure. Oh my mama. Very choppy. Yeah, we need to be patient with that one then. Put it on your watch list, you know. If you ain't watching it, you ain't gonna get it. You know, we always say put these things on your watch list so you could capitalize off it. Price kind of accumulating, right? Scan this can't get over the top here, not right now. Trade days, what's good, my brother? What you looking at, trade days? What you guys have in mind? What you guys looking at? What about S dot? Long time no trade S dot. Untradeable now on S dot. I wouldn't even mess with S dot now. I wouldn't mess with S dot. Scan this is just can't do it. Unscan this. Scan this. I mean, it's right there. We'll hold it a little bit more. VWAP. TE. That's an energy stock, I think. Yeah. VWAP on TE. VWAP rejection there. You long or you short this one trade days? Watch Lily at 1153. Watch Lily at 1153. Lily at 1153. Trying to make a push to the upside here. We definitely scan this towards VWAP. Come on, bounce off there and let's go. I mean, we got Disney at 100. You could look at Disney. It's been trending down. Trying to find support at 100 on Disney. And if we go higher, VWAP, through the VWAP to the upside on Disney. Um, yeah. Scan this. Scan this pullback, so I'm out on scan this. I've been mad at myself. It bounced off that VWAP. But that's where I give myself the stop loss. I'm not going to go anything more than that. Always heed to your stop loss. You could always save your account to go again. Okay. I'm gonna see what these stock do at earnings today. So it's gonna be looking, see what happens. JLHL. Look at that one. Kind of nice breakout this morning and then became choppy on that. SPY still holding it to the downside on the SPY. SpaceX didn't do nothing on the earnings yesterday. APP looking for support at 425.87. APP. Look what I tell you about scan this on the VWAP. Look at it trying to bounce. Tesla, let's look at Tesla. I kind of give Tesla a break. Tesla is hard to trade today. So I trade Tesla so much that, sometimes I just give it a break. Tesla is choppy. If I'm gonna take a trade, I would try to get it through the VWAP on Tesla. I want to see come up though. Short it. Three, risk one to make one, right? To the downside. I just wouldn't do nothing yet. The market is undecisive. The only thing working right now to the trend to the downside is APP. We could look at AMD. See what AMD is all about. AMD through the VWAP. We need AMD through the VWAP. AMD filled the gap this morning and break out and never came back down to retest. It tried to. After opening, it tried to. It tried to retest the gap down here. This is the gap line here. So AMD came down here to kind of test the gap right here, but couldn't make it. So you would have to watch it through the VWAP, right? Yeah, just pay attention to Disney. Disney would be a more favorable play to the downside break. We're struggling though. We need Disney to break 100. Here comes the SPY looking good. I mean, if you're looking at this SPY, you could look at QQQ too. QQQ, QQQ, pre-market low on QQQ. QQQ pre-market low. There you go, APP looking good. Pre-market low on this QQQ. You could watch that there. Disney. Bounce on SPY. I would watch SPY back at the gap. If it goes lower, then you try to get in lower on the SPY. But I definitely watch the gap. Right now, APP is dumping underneath the low. Disney at 100. Watch Disney at 100. Spot. XYT is all over the place. Watch QQQ. We're very choppy inside this zone here. I would want to see what it does down here in pre-market low here, which it tried to come down, test it again on Apple. $310. I mean, I like $310 on the way back up on Apple. This is how I would watch Apple now. That's how I would approach Apple. SPY pushing lower. IWM, let's look at that. There you go. Woo! That was a 20-cent move. In for the strength of that. Mm-hmm. Keep eye on Lily. Keep eye on Lily at 11:53. Amazon. Ooh, look for a reversal on that. Look at Amazon. Look at Amazon. That's definitely going to need some looking at on the way back up. Let it drop. Let it go. We just need half the distance, find some support, and then half the distance to bounce back. Market's still pressing down. Huh? We knew it was too high on the SPY, right? We knew that. All right. Let's see if it could go to 750. 750 on the SPY. Thanks, man. You just gotta be patient here. Hmm. Patience, patience, patience. LUNR. LUNR is at VWAP. Let's see what's going on here. Come on, Spy. Keep dropping. QQQ should be there too now, right? Anybody in? There you go. Trying to find some support there on QQQ. Coin bouncing. We need Bitcoin to go to 65 on, and coin would have a chance. We only a point down on the SPY, so we're not down a lot. Pressure on the market though. There's another support level right here. Right here on the SPY here. You can watch that 768.88. Watch this level here. If you're in it, make that be your target. Anything lower than that, you're okay. It's pushing away from the EMA, 200 EMA. What is it?
It's like a steel pen. Oh, yes. Better for you. In case you little silly. Yeah.
I might have to soak it overnight.
I did that thing. So it didn't worse than that if I hadn't done it. You see that hot in the refrigerator? That was the milk and the water soaking.
Soak it in the water. Is
Milk.
there milk and water?
But it was how I would cook it, but I couldn't leave the milk out on the stove.
Right.
So I put the milk in it. And pour the milk over it.
But water you could have, right?
Hmm?
You could have with just water and then add the milk later.
So you add the milk and water.
Mm.
Salt and there. You don't like it, so you won't be eating more than.
No, it's fine.
I like because it's softer, the other oatmeal will be like lumps. I just you cook it and cook it to itself. You just taste them little like soft things. You don't like it. Just taste you make it. All right, that one's for you.
I'm gonna have to do it with you. Lily break, man. Lily break it up. You.
You have to do it with me.
Oh. The next time you do it, let me know. I have something in mind.
Because if you don't soak it overnight, you gotta cook it for 30 minutes, 20 to 30 minutes. If I soak it in overnight.
Did you add salt in it while you were soaking it?
I'm not think so. Just trying to find things to really on you.
No.
These are so.
We'll figure it out. Lily popping. Watch Lily towards the VWAP.
What blows my mind is driving to Florida could be getting full coverage for up to 80% less than they're paying now. And most people have no idea. If you're paying over $75 a month for car insurance, I'll show you how to save. It's not just car insurance. Gas is up, groceries are up, property taxes keep climbing. Everything in Florida is getting more expensive. So when you're already getting squeezed on everything, why keep overpaying on a bill you can actually do something about? I work in personal finance. I've done this for over 20 years.
It's my entry. Now we gotta wait.
their auto insurance. Not because they chose a bad plan. They're missing discounts they already qualify for and don't even know it. I kept seeing the same thing with every client. Discounts sitting right there waiting to be applied. They have no idea. Safe driver discounts, homeowner discounts, multi-card discounts, all just going unclaimed. Dozens of them untouched. That's why I built my website. It finds every discount you qualify for so they can apply to your rate. Here's a quick test. Have you shopped around for car insurance in the last 6 months? I've asked every single one of my clients that same question. Every time, the answer is no. And every single one of them had unclaimed discounts. They're waiting to be.
APP. Reddit, guys, Reddit. Keep an eye on the Reddit. Watch Reddit down here. This would be a stop loss on Reddit. Watch the SPY at 77110. Okay. Reddit. Took some partial out of the SPY. Watch Lily at VWAP. Scan this 14 14 on scan this. 14 14 on scan this. There you go, Reddit. Looking good. Woo! Yeah, man. Didn't say you didn't have that there. Mm. SPY, there you go, bud. Look at the SPY. Then you got to look at QQQ too.
I heard you. You're so funny.
Let me see what it looked like.
Vip-Zen, I'm the president of Vantage Point AI, leading market forecasting software that has helped over 35,000 traders find life-changing trading opportunities just like these. On news networks such as Fox Business, Yahoo Finance, even at the NASDAQ.
It's like
The top 10.
they didn't let it open up. They cut the beans to seeds.
Just like have to either cook it 30 minutes or let it soak overnight so it's soften.
AI trends to make a quick buck. Meanwhile, AI trading
I have an idea.
by my father back in the late 1980s.
Next time you know.
And our history of
Let me know.
markets.
Yeah.
And I guess speaks for itself. You see,
No.
on a cherry pick of trading. It's easy to draw lines on old charts and show where the
There you go. Good for you, man. Spy wants to. Just see where the market goes from here now, right? They need to come back inside the gap here today to go higher. There's an opportunity right here too, towards the gap, if you're gonna play it. You gotta be patient now, see where the market goes. If you're not yet subscribed to the YouTube channel, come on in, man. At the Zen Zone 01, THEZENZONE 01 on YouTube. Hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell. Let you know when we are live, man, so you could get notified. You got to pull back on the SPY 772, right? Ooh, volume behind that there. Market is taking a breather.
What does you feel like you bring to the table outside of just jeans? You can have NBA baby. NBA babies, yeah, you. You're right. I can make trades and management. Let me show you how. This is relevant legend. And as you would know, right, the real stones place. Make trades, showing customization is next level. Draw the charts, have comparisons, change the chart type, and add for over 90 technical indicators. Crypto's moments is now. And with Robinhood Legend, the trades are streamlined and
Just be patient on the market here right now, guys. You just got to be patient here.
space moves with me and it's ready. Usability and trading was a big deal. Big problem. Legend Schwartz and each consumer to get the perfect view. Pull up more than 90 indicators, including some of my favorites like SMA, eBay, ACT, and UOP. Right from the menu, it has right.
Market is just taking a breather. Pause for a minute. Ain't nothing going on, guys. Can't really scalp nothing. The volume is not there right now. ZYBT got to come back down and fill that gap. One more downside. If not, watch 344. We'll take a trade towards the top. If we change some direction on that. We just got to be patient, relax. It's going into 1 o'clock. We ain't fighting the market right now. Watch the SPY at 772. A little bit here, a little bit there. A little bit everywhere. Some of this, some of that. Let's get out of APPP. That was a great trade to the downside on APP. That was a great trade. May still have a little bit more downside on this thing here. Watch the SPY at 772. The market is quiet. Let's see what coin is doing. Coin break. Anybody that was part of coin? Anybody was part of coin? $152, 35 on coin. We're gonna have to watch it here, right? You need more volume to push us up inside this area here. Watch the SPY 772. We need the SPY to get back to 772.80 to fill the gap, to get inside the gap. So just got to be patient here. APP broke under. Come on. Get that continuation down. Come on. Mm-hmm. We're just accumulating right now, 1047. We just accumulating right now. We could get another push to the downside. We'll be fine.
Discover why oxygen blends is the part of design. Small wins, massive losses. If that's familiar, keep watching. Every struggling trader I've ever.
Alik, what's going on, Alik? What you getting to today, Alik? Got you, buddy. Be safe out there, man. Be safe out there. Watch Lily on the downside again. Lily pressing down. Disney is trying to press up. Disney is trying. Watch Disney at 100. Lily to the downside. Disney want to come up. At least she trying. I wouldn't do nothing right now. If the market is going to make a run for it to up, then you look for longs. But right now, the pressure is still to the downside on the SPY, even though it just pulled back a little bit. Nothing on FSLR. Roxanne. Once again, if you're not yet subscribed, come on in, man. As you could see, we're live on YouTube right now. There we are. We're doing it. Hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell. Let you know when we go live tomorrow morning, 7 a.m. for Momentum Penny Stocks. Get involved if that's something you'd like to do. Lily. Lily. Let's see, I get alert on everything. RIVN. I got everything lined up, man. RIVN. That's how we go down, man. It go down in the Zen zone. This is the only zone you need to be aware of. Love it, man. Love you guys, man. Always a pleasure hanging with you guys here. If you'd like to learn more, come on into the Discord. You see it. My woman keep me warm. ORCL, let's see what that's doing. There's nothing really right now, guys. So you just got to know when to just relax and roll with the market. Look at ORCL. Look at that. How do you trade that? How do you trade that? SpaceX, you can't trade that right now. If you're looking for that, it got to blow the top off here. On Oracle, right? Anything underneath this level here, that's how I would trade Oracle right now. Oh, pre-market high, yeah. Let's go to SpaceX, see what's up with SpaceX. People still not unloading enough of their shares yet. SpaceX didn't do much. Much or nothing. Where did it go yesterday? Spike all the way to 130. Look at this 130 yesterday. After earnings, 130.31. And so there was still another 10 more points to go to 140 to get back to where we enter it to the downside on SpaceX. So not much. I want to see it on the 100. That's what I want to see SpaceX on the 100. Nothing on Oracle right now. ORCL. Just remember. Just got to be patient. 772 on the SPY. IBM, let's look at that. Okay, got rejected today at the 70 RSI, so we want to see it gets over the resistance level here on IBM. 238.10 up here. That's where I would watch it trade days. Maybe going into the 2 o'clock hour. Going into close. Reddit. Anybody with Reddit, you should be getting close to our thing now on Reddit, IBM. Reddit is testing it, huh? Selling pressure right there on Reddit. Selling pressure, huh? Just gotta be patient. Hey, what's going on? Oh yeah. What you fine? What you doing? Hmm. Disney at the low here. Watch Disney, guys. Watch Disney. Once again, if you're not yet subscribed to the channel, as you could see, we're live right now on YouTube, right? That's what we do Monday through Friday, 11 to 1, 11 to 1, guys. Tuesdays and Thursday, we do 7 o'clock to 8:30, and then back on at 11 to 1. So we on pretty much from 7 a.m. till 1 o'clock, okay? Pretty much. We sign off at 8:30, break down stock 8:39, 9:30, and trade the market till 11, back on live at 11. So if you want to be a part of that, go ahead, hit the subscribe button. Here's how you get to us, the Zen Zone. This is what it looked like. Come on in, join us. Tomorrow morning, Momentum Stocks. We try to go at it again, like we do Tuesdays and Thursdays. Welcome to the Zen Zone, man. Pause the noise. All right, guys. I'll see you mañana. Hasta mañana. All right. Watch the market trying to pull up. Be a part of that. You know, some of the stocks we look at the levels that we talked about and trade wisely. That's it. Don't rush in. Follow the trend. Trend is your friend. Enjoy the rest of your day, guys. I appreciate you. Alik, Trade Days, thank you, man, for always coming in and making it poppin'. Hey, George, everybody that was in here, man. You know how you guys do, man. You make it happen. All right. Enjoy you guys rest of the day. Happy hump day. See you mañana. Coach, see you mañana, coach. Mm-mm. Oh, my life. Megaton, thank you, man. I appreciate you. I'll see you tomorrow. Enjoy the rest of your day, man. Sometimes, just don't force things. You just make it happen. See you guys tomorrow. Appreciate you. Woo! What a day. We came, we saw, we extract. That's it.